हेलो गुड इवनिंग फ्रेंड्स। आज जो है मैं एक बहुत ही इम्पोर्टेंट टॉपिक के ऊपर आपको एक चीज़ बताने वाला हूँ, जो है एसआईपी। बहुत सारे मेरे फ्रेंड्स हैं, मेरे कलीग्स हैं, उनका कहना ये आता है कि यार गणेश, कौन से एसआईपी में हमने पैसे डालने चाहिए और कौन सी बेस्ट एसआईपी है, कौन से अच्छे रिटर्न्स देंगे इन फ्यूचर में। ये सब चीज़ों का आता है बिकॉज आई एम इन दिस फील्ड फ्रॉम लास्ट 2016, so almost like 10 years, 9 years now. So in fact I had few mutual funds स्टार्टिंग में, जैसे कि मेरे कुछ आइडिया नहीं था मार्केट का, तो उस टाइम मैंने खुद में म्यूचुअल फंड्स रखे थे। उसके बाद इवेंचुअली जब मेरी अंडरस्टैंडिंग बढ़ गई, देन आई शिफ्टेड टू द specific stocks or ETFs, all those things. And after then, when I now I don't have any mutual fund stocks, and I don't do the SIP as well. I have one mutual fund which is basically I used for the ELS, for the tax saving. Other than that, I don't have any mutual fund. So ये जो म्यूचुअल फंड है, तो मेरा सिंपल सा कहना यही है, जैसे कि आपने टैगलाइन में भी देखा है कि दिस इज अ completely fraud. This is one of the biggest fraud has been running in the share market, that doing SIP you will get the good returns in the down the line of 10 to 15 years. This is completely false. I'll give you the example. If you go and check the, I'll show you the chart as well for the China index, then the Japan index, then the, in fact, Nifty, then the Nasdaq. Just name it. I'll show the every chart of them, and then you tell me, is SIP is good or bad. So now you have seen all the charts. So if you understand, after, once they reach the highest, like if they give a 4 to 5 times of return within a just short period of time, after then they went for the consolidation. Went for the consolidation, they stay there for next minimum 10 years or maximum 20 years. You can see in terms of China, it is 2006, 2007 to till now, it's almost 19 years. In terms of Nikkei, you have seen the from 2090 to till now. So almost how much years? Like maybe around 20, 35 years. So if someone has invested beginning of the market, you may say like in terms of Nikkei, Japan, if they have, he may have started in maybe before 1985, he must have had a good return till 90, and after then there is a big big drop, and it stays there for next 35 years. So his whole wealth of SIP gives a zero return. Might be you get the dividend and all those things, but I don't think so that's really what we're looking for in the market. We, everyone is here, wants to have a handsome return, at least as an investor is looking for 20 to 25%, and the traders are looking at least 50% or maybe double the fund in the year. But in case of SIP, if you see that gap, the return is completely nothing for 35 years. Additionally, there's a depreciation. If you check the currency, it has it has devalued already. Additional, there was a inflation. If you consider that one, so you in 35 years you had a negative, and your whole life you earned, and still it has value less than what you have earned it. So these are the very important things we should be considered before investing the mutual fund. I'm not saying the mutual fund is completely It's not good. But as I said in earlier, that mutual funds are fraud. Yes, it is fraud. If you do not know where to enter and where to exit, then it's completely fraud for you. And your whole life, your whole earning, you are going to be devalued by yourself. I mean, it's no return. For more updates, for more uh, understanding, for learning the stock markets, you can follow me my this channel. This is my first video, by the way. Uh, I'll be coming up with the more technical, fundamental, and the quant analysis. So, which I mean, I'm 100% sure you're not going to see this sort of videos in any channel. You must have seen most of the technical. I have done this. I have gone through it. In fact, I vested my whole 5 6 years, at least I would say 5 years. I vested in the technical analysis, but luckily I was invested for the long term, so I had good money, at least good return from them. And other than that, uh, if you want to really want to grow yourself, just don't fall in trap of short term trading, future options, and only just looking at the technical, you will get to everything. That's bullshit. That's not going to help you out for the long term run. And just under just take this stock market as a business perspective, not just